a delicious, hearty soup. That's not a soup. Creamy heart soup. Starts with a hydromelon, of course. Here's how I crack mine open. With my heaviest knife. Kinda looks like a Buster Sword, but that's Final Fantasy, not Zelda. Lightly tap on it with a wooden mallet or rolling pin. Let the weight of the knife do the work. Nice. We'll only need about half of this watermelon. Now, I don't have a melon baller, but I do have this cool little teaspoon, which works pretty good for this. Use what you have. Scoop out balls and place them in a small bowl. Cool. Alright, now we need to pulverize what's left. Scrape as much of the fruit as you can into the center and blitz it with your stick blender. You can also scoop out the fruit and put it in the blender and then blend it up that way, but this is more fun. Now, I'm going to strain it. You don't have to, but I'm gonna because I'm kind of a perfectionist that way. Cool. You should have about 4 cups of juice. Now to season it with a little bit of lime salt. It's great on fruit. If you don't have any of this stuff, that's okay. You can just season it up with a little bit of lime juice and salt, maybe about a teaspoon or 2 of each. Also, we're going to add sugar. Now, depending on how sweet your melon is, you shouldn't need more than a few tablespoons. I only use 3, but I don't want my stuff too sweet. Alright, now carefully pour your juice into a gallon-sized zip-top bag. Try to get as much air out as you can and place it flat on a metal sheet. Freeze this for about 2 hours. Alright, now that your bag is frozen, break up the hard parts with a rolling pin. Don't go too hard or you'll tear the bag. Put it back in the freezer. Repeat this a few times every hour or so, just so that we make the snow extra soft. Alright, in the meantime, make sure to scoop out some vanilla ice cream into a heart-shaped mold. Nice. Freeze that until it's stiff. Once everything is good and frozen, you can assemble your treat. Beat up the snow one last time. And then you can scoop it out into a bowl. Top your snow with reserved watermelon balls and your ice cream heart. Look at that. A perfectly nice soup? Not really, but it is the perfect summertime treat. Creamy heart soup is yummy. Now for the pinned comment of the week. This week's comment comes from Walking Corpse, who says, I'm watching these videos knowing damn well if I make this stuff and eat it, I'm gonna become morbidly obese. Well, as someone who eats the stuff in the videos on a regular basis, I can tell you that it's all about portion control. Don't eat it all, this is on the deep fried schwaffle recipe. As long as you don't eat it all at once, you're good. When it comes to dessert, if you share it, you're usually good. But otherwise, yeah, don't go making this kind of stuff every day. If you'd like to see your comment featured, make sure to drop a comment on one of my videos and you might see it. Or you can send any questions or comments to my email, hammycooks@gmail.com, just like it's spelled here. If you like that, there's tons more Breath of the Wild recipes waiting for you in this playlist. Check them out. Until then, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a thing. Thanks for watching. See everyone next time. Bye!